Good night.
With next week's budget in mind, the Man Alive report this evening asks some of Britain's industrial managers why they are holding back on investment, expansion and growth. They say the rewards are negligible and highly taxable, and that the disincentives, as they call them, make the risks not worth taking. The programme asks 3 successful firms why they are standing still and discusses whether their attitude is typical. Grow or Be Damned is the title of the Man Alive report, tonight at 9:30 here on 2. And over on BBC1 now, Warship is sailing into more troubled waters. Here on 2, Worldwide prepares to view Spanish television.